Hello chess friends, chess lover, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video today, we'll be looking at the pawn, checkmate and promotion. This topic, I'll be treating it together because we need to understand that at the end of a chess game, sometimes after battling with the chessboard against your opponent with all your pieces, you can be left with your king and the pawn against the opponent's lone black king or white king, depending on the color you are using and the opponent is using also. So the pawn is the least valuable piece on the chessboard. The king has infinite or zero value. In that, a player can't lose his king. Its ability to do work is about equal to that of a bishop or knight. So a king is also a fighting piece. Now, like we've learned in our previous video, queen has 9 points, rook has 5 points, bishop has 3 points, and knight has 3 points, and also the pawn has 1 point. Despite their limited value, pawns often have an influence on the final result of a chess game. So let's take a look at the situation on the screen right now. In my previous video, I explained in a space that a pawn that moved from its rank upward to the highest rank, like the white pawn now, is permitted to promote to any other piece than the king. So this pawn has gotten to rank 7 and will still move into rank 8. It can become a queen, knight, rook, or bishop. But most at times, it's always become the queen, because the queen is the most powerful, and once it becomes the queen, it is easier to win with the queen and the king on the chessboard against a king. And sometimes, if there are minor pieces, a queen and a king can also checkmate the king of the opposite player. So let's see how it works here. I want to administer checkmate with pawn and king. The idea that comes in is, after moving my pawn to the next square, which is b8, I can choose to become any of the following pieces: knight, bishop, rook, or queen. So I'll choose to be the queen, and now the queen will give a check to the black king. If you've watched my video about some things you are not told about the chess king, you notice that I exposed that the king cannot come to this square, or this square. Why? Because these squares are called a shared territory, because the white king has a share in it and the black king has a share in it. So none of the king can access that square. So it's a boundary. Using the pawn to become a queen gives the king a check, and therefore white wins the game with a checkmate. So I believe you've learned something about this particular video. That is a little introduction of checkmate and promotion. There are thousands of examples on the internet, there are thousands of examples on YouTube that you can learn from. But for now, having this concept is a plus. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.